Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get free evolved pets if you are not a member. So let's just get into the video. So I found this while I was trying to get free membership. I have to play with an account so that I can get it. But here we have an evolved pet just out in the open. Prodigy did this in a recent update so that people could get evolved pets. So this is one of them. At the end we will see if we can get them without having to have membership, because I have too many pets on this account. I'm pretty sure I have every single pet. Yeah, so I do have every pet on this account, so I probably won't be able to capture it, but we'll see if we can. But first, let's go hunting to see if we can find any of these pets. So I know there aren't going to be any on the left because that's a mission where you have to battle the pet or the monsters. So there wouldn't be any there. But here we go. We have our second evolved pet of the day. Right here. This is the second evolution of Forest Sneak. So now we will go to Shiver Chill. Last time there was a pretty cool pet or monster that I saw here, which would be good. It was High Fawn. Is it down here? No, there are none here. But you can get High Fawn down in this corner. So next we will check the rest of Skywatch, because we only checked one part. So there is another Acromy down here. If we go to the right, what will we find? So nothing right here, but we can go up. Anything? Okay, so we can get this. This is another one we can get. So now we will check Bonfire Spire. I have gotten a few here. And there have also been, yeah, you can get this to come here, which you normally wouldn't get in Bonfire Spire. So if we go down, there could be something good. Yeah, this is another one this is a full evolved one, which you would only be able to get if you could evolve with membership. And let's check the right. Nothing there, and we will check Shipwreck Shore, which there will probably be nothing because there's only one monster that I am going to look at. Okay, so we did.
All finished.
Let's
head back, okay?
Not sure what they're asking me to do, but this is another evolved one. And we'll go ahead and head back, and we'll battle the Acromy to see if we can catch it. So before I start the battle, make sure to like and subscribe. We just hit 700, and we are the most subscribed to Daviday now. Let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of May, and let's get into the battle. So we are going to use Iron Cannon to start it off. 3 sides on this triangle. So, wow. So you have to be a member to get evolved pets. That's very sad. You can't get them if you are a normal player, or if you don't have membership. You have to have membership to catch them, but they are in the game and you can battle them. So that is a pretty sad turnout. Oh. Okay. Did we just find a glitch? Okay, we just found a glitch. So, you can catch it and add it to your team. That's a nice glitch right there.
You did it!
Okay. Yeah, I don't care if I did it, but now we know for sure that you can catch this. So that is going to end the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.